Zone 3, ayy. We finna crank it up. BME, show y'all what some real gangsters is. Cause some of y'all ain't shit though. I'm a gangster, 245.
Okay. Today we'll be showing you this Magnum, that's it. And we will be putting about a good amount of bullets in the target. So, well, first you start off by turning the safety off. Okay, there we go. And then you kind of take aim, and you want to fire a couple shots into your target. But you can also do this like with mini tricks, like you go like this, or say this, or you can get on your knees, feel bored, and go like this, you know, this, and of course this. But not always advisable doing it that way. You want to turn the safety off, and then you walk over and see how we did. Oh, not too bad. We got a view on the flag. Good amount of the way. But how this gun works. Well, but that's that. Now, this over here is a really fine weapon. This submachine gun, or assault rifle, my bad. It's a really good weapon because it's good for throwing things, I guess. Now, this model is quite interesting because this gun won't seem to. Well, you may want to take the safety off. But, oh well, now, what you do is you fire it, then, wow, well, it's always good if you can take your target. I've been trained very much in this thing, but no for a fact, it's always good to be able to. Now, what this comes with is an adjustable butt stop. Much better to a split or two. Well, you get the idea. But what you do is you put it on. There we go. You put it on, and it won't extend. And this thing won't come out. Well, it does come out at some point. But I would not advise looking into it. I'm gonna kill whoever made this thing. And now this right here, this is my personal favorite. This is the M107 ABC sniper rifle. Well, anyhow. Now this piece of equipment it's actually quite heavy, as you can probably guess. Now, it has some very good recoil and it has a very good recoil and takes a while to aim with, but when you may want to take the safety off. But when you do this, you want to aim well and just kind of wow. A lot more power in this thing than I thought. Perhaps I should do this laying down. Now when you lay down, you want to put the bipod out and then you kind of relax. then take aim and fire. Oh. Oh. But you don't usually want to. Well, but I will take my leave of you now and take care of this, so I will be back.